Okay, so your nails are growing. Let me see. They're growing really a lot more than last time. But now what's crazy is now that the new growth of your nail growing, it still have that kind of like
chunky shit.
Because look how healthy these nails look.
I know.
Look how healthy these nails look. Even at the top here, they look healthy, you know? So we just gonna go ahead and just build in the, do a fill. This is like our third fill. Cut the cuticles today, clean you up, fill it in. I'm gonna go in and clean the bottom today because it's long enough for me to go like really hard, you know? I'm gonna go in hard today with this. Cause yeah, my goal is to keep the bottom as clean as I can.
Okay.
That's why my goal for you. You don't want no cut down at all, girl?
No.
Girl, you really love your nail long, huh?
I do.
And you want them longer than these? What's the goal? What's the goal? Out here, we have a goal, an inch. We're gonna grow these nails 1 more inch. All right, let's go.
Okay, so a Sagittarius, you guys are very outspoken. Not demanding, but y'all want what y'all want.
That must have feel good right here. Look at this.
It do.
Dang. You can hear that clipping when you...
That's dry skin.
Oh yeah, I love hearing that noise. Let's go deeper.
Go ahead. Libras or scales. You can't drown us. You can't burn us. You can't bury us. You can't do none of that. But when we tip our scale,
that's it.
We gonna end you.
Sorry.
We gonna end you quick.
Right.
And I keep a positive attitude because at the same time, I made it this far.
Right. Oh Lord.
Because it's like this. I was blessed with it, so I might as well pass it along.
You have to.
If I give you some wisdom, I want you to run with it. Because I ain't been on this earth this long not to understand life.
Amen.
And if I know you don't know,
then I won't teach you.
And I can't teach you. And if you're not trying to get it,
that's on you.
That's wasting my time.
Right,
and my time is more precious to me than anything. Because I can be spending it somewhere else doing something else that make me happy.
Right, and the care.
Right. I tell my husband, I tell anybody all the time, I came in this world butt naked and broke. And I'm going to leave this motherfucker the same way.
Right.
Bald-headed, butt naked and
broke. Right.
Broke. Nothing, asshole naked, and that's how I'm living.
Right, but I'm trying to get this damn cuticles right.
It ain't bothering me.
Girl, it is hard like a rock right here. I got you though. I'm always willing to help people, always. Like you reach out to me, I would drop everything to help you.
Right.
But if I give you an advice and you take it and how you run with it, that's on you. But all I know is I did my part. I gave you my information. I didn't gatekeep. Because I told you, in life, you can teach anybody anything, but rather they learn it or not, that's on them.
That's for them to absorb.
That's for them to absorb. That's not my business. I just do my thing. Look at this. Yeah. They feel soft. That's the main thing. I just got to get rid of these corners. They look better, though. You see how thick? Hey, let me see the other hand. The other hand looks good. The other hand's fine. That one was just... You work hard with this one. You work hard with... Yeah, you work hard with this one.
I write
Everything. Because your hand's disabled on this one. Yeah. So this one is your ride or die kind of hand.